Good PM, today is October 21, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swear 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, October 21, 2023. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 21, 2023, Saturday. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for Saturday, October 21, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Saturday, October 21, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.